Well, I decided that I needed to make accessing my computer a little bit less complicated because it's really heavy now, especially with a water cooler in it. So I have built something, and this is it. I've got this for the feet, and I've got wheels to help stabilize the front, and I'm going to have to make some adjustments to it so that the rails slide smoothly. But this will make it a lot easier for me to work on my computer when necessary. So, isn't that exciting? And there we go. Not perfect, but it's definitely going to provide me with some ease of access. At least I hope so. I sure need it. There we go.
Make that sliding shelf better is I'm going to install a piece of plywood underneath it attached with bolts and washers to the plastic so the plastic doesn't get damaged, and then the rails will be mounted correctly onto the plywood, and then it'll be solid and the rails will work correctly and I'll be happy. I hope. I'd like to thank Grindler at Bleeping Computer for allowing me to share my videos and posts on his website. Bleeping Computer has a lot of resources, including vetted programs, malware removal instructions, malware removal volunteers, other kinds of volunteers for IT, cybersecurity information, and more. It's a great place to go. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.